Hello viewers, welcome to another interesting subject which is digital communication. This is conducted by Ganon, powered by Wishback. I am Professor Aditya De. I will be your mentor throughout this course. Now, let us discuss what is one analog signal and what is a digital signal. An analog signal has many levels. That is a sinusoidal signal. And what is a digital signal? Digital signal has only two levels. That it may be 0 or maybe 1. Example is a square wave. So square wave has two levels, either +5 or -5 or 0 or 5. Now let us discuss what is the advantage of digital over the analog signal system. In analog signal system, the signal is affected more by noise. And obviously, what you use? An amplifier will enhance this noise. But whenever you use a digital signal is also affected by the noise, but it is less affected. So due to this less affection, the noise can be removed easily and the signal can be recovered easily at the receiver. That is one advantage of digital communication. In digital communication, encoder is used. Encoding is possible only in digital communication. Also, decoding are used in digital communication, which is possible only in a digital system. Hence, digital system is less affected by noise due to this encoding and the decoding block. Now, if you want to process an image, it is only possible only in the digital communication system. An image is converted to a series of 0 and 1 and transmitted through the medium. So, image processing is only possible through a digital communication system. Now, if you use a time division multiplexing, in time division multiplexing, different source information are scattered in different time interval, and the time interval are transmitted through the medium through a frame. This conception is possible only in digital system. So digital communication is obviously preferred here over the analog communication system. Now, in digital communication, the transmitter and receiver is much more sensitive. Hence, in military, the digital communication is preferred because obviously in military application, the signal is preferred to transmit over a secure system, which is possible only in a digital communication system. Now, digital communication is very good, cheap and fast. So, digital is preferred over the analog communication system. Now, obviously, digital communication has some disadvantage, but the disadvantage is very less compared to the analog communication system. In digital communication, high bitrate or high information is transmitted through the medium. Hence, a large bandwidth is required to transmit such large amount of the signal. Hence, the channel bandwidth is higher. And in digital communication system, there is one synchronization required between the transmitter and the receiver whenever there is one synchronization modulation is used in digital communication. That is another disadvantage of digital communication, because without the synchronization, the signal may be corrupted, may not be synchronized properly if not synchronized properly. So what we have discussed in today's lecture? In today's lecture, we have discussed introduction to digital communication, advantage of the digital communication over analog communication, and obviously, though very less, the disadvantage of digital communication. That's all for this segment. Thank you, students. Bye.